How to donate to Twitch streamers on mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can donate to Twitch streamers using your phone, or how you can donate on Twitch on mobile. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to get this Twitch live game and streaming mobile application. You can simply head into your Play Store and search in for Twitch, as I've done so here on the screen, and you can simply tap on it and install it. Once you have installed it, you're gonna open it up and log into your account. Once you're logged in, now what you can do is you can use the search bar at the bottom right corner of your screen in order to search for the particular streamer that you wish to donate, or here simply search in and head into the profile of the particular streamer that you wish to donate. Now I'll just open up this random one here, and now you want to tap on the profile and head into the profile. Now I'm on this streamer's profile, right, as you can see here. Now what you want to do is, here below the profile you'll get home, about, schedule, videos and clips option. Simply tap on about, and under about, if you scroll down, you should be able to see the donate option if they have added one. Now here this user doesn't have the donate option here, so I'll just head back and I'll head into some different user. So if I scroll down here, so different users have different about here, so you'll have to look into it if they have got the donate option here. And you can see this user has donate here option, the streamer, so you can tap on it and it'll ask you for confirmation. Tap and confirm, and it should take you to this page where you will be able to make the donation. So this way you can donate to Twitch streamers on mobile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.